Hey guys, it's Jeremy here at the Ontario Regiment RCAC Museum in Oshawa, and today is another incredible day. We just had a new vehicle arrive from the Canadian Armed Forces. It is the iconic Canadian design and built LAV III. You can see it there behind me. We have our crew in there with the turret. This vehicle was built by General Dynamics Land Systems in London, Ontario. It was originally called the Kodiak, and it was brought into service with the Canadian Armed Forces in 1999, actually. And this vehicle that you're seeing, it just left active service this year in 2020. So we're very excited here at the museum to have this new piece of equipment. We're still looking into the service history. We're going to share all that with you in some future videos. There's a bit of restoration, even though it is fully operational. You can see the turret ops right now. There is some cleaning up and systems testing that we still need to do. So I'm going to introduce you to Mitch McFarlane, a member of the museum, also a member of the Ontario Regiment who served on the LAV IIIs in Afghanistan. He's going to be the project leader on this, and we'll be speaking to you about the project moving forward in 2020, 2021 as we finish this restoration.